Hi guys, this is Keshav Malpani and welcome back to yet another session of 12 minutes to clat. Today we're going to discuss something rather unusual जो हम generally discuss नहीं करते, but I'm pretty sure that it's going to give you a very important and different perspective in your preparation for sure. Okay, so I think all of you know Virat Kohli. I would say Virat Kohli is one of the greatest batsmen to ever play the game. Okay, definitely one of the best. However, he's been going through a tough patch recently, but still, you would count him as one of the greatest to ever play, right? However, it's very important for everybody to understand that it's not just the skill set or the skill level that you need to become great at the highest level. You need to have a very different kind of mentality because what do you think? India is a huge country with billions of people. So you can't expect कि एक ही विराट कोहली एक इंडिया से निकल सकता है, right? But there is only one Virat Kohli or there is only one Sachin Tendulkar, right? Because these people have a very different kind of mentality apart from obviously a great skill set these guys obviously had. Now, very recently I was just watching random videos on YouTube. So I stumbled upon a Virat Kohli interview that absolutely changed my perspective with respect to everything. Okay, and I'm going to share it with you, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be really, really interesting and very important for you to have that perspective as well in your life. So Virat Kohli was talking about an IPL season in 2011-12. Okay, so what happened in that season was his performance was really bad. His team's performance was absolutely pathetic. I think a lot of you would know that Virat Kohli made his ODI debut as well as his IPL debut in 2008 while he was just 19 years old. Right, so that's a big achievement, I would say, for somebody who's just 19 years old, playing for his country, playing for this IPL franchisee. Now, in 2011 World Cup, just 3 years after that, Virat Kohli was the second ranked ODI batsman in the entire world. Okay, so he was like one of the best already. But in 2011-12, what happened after the IPL, he did not have a really good performance and his performance were dwindling match after match. Okay, not just at the IPL level, but also at international level as well after the World Cup. So now what happened? He was dropped from the team for 13 months. Okay, for more than a year, Virat Kohli was dropped from the Indian team and he was not picked for the Indian team during that time. Now after the IPL, Virat Kohli, as he told in the interview, he said that he went for a shower one day and he realized that this is not a body of somebody who is an international level athlete or an international level player. When you have the skill set to make it to an international level, this is not how you go about it. And he realized that अगर वो इन्हीं body features के साथ काम करते रहे या फिर he just keep going on with what he has right now, he is always going to be an average player because despite being a very good player, अगर उनका second ranked था, as I told you, in the entire world, ही वॉज नॉट अ प्लेयर जिनसे एक ऑपोजिशन डर सकती थी कि अच्छा अगर विराट कोहली का आउट नहीं गया तो ही जस्ट टेक द मैच अवे फ्रॉम यू. ही वॉज नॉट एन इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर इवन देन, राइट? सो ही सेड कि जब उन्हें ये रियलाइजेशन हुआ, इट वॉज अ वेरी आई वुड से काइंड ऑफ अ हेवी रियलाइजेशन. ही रियलाइज कि बट दिस इज वेरी रॉन्ग बिकॉज ही इनफैक्ट कन्फेस्ड दैट हिज स्लीपिंग शेड्यूल्स, हिज ईटिंग हैबिट्स वर हॉरिबल. Okay, so from the very next day, he just changed everything in his schedule. Okay, he made a list of what was wrong about him, his sleeping habits, I would say sleeping schedule, or his eating habits, his workout routine. He changed everything about it, and we know the Virat Kohli that we see these days, one of the greatest batsmen who made his India debut after 2013. Okay, after he was picked again after 13 months, and then he was never dropped. In fact, he is our captain right now. Okay, so that is how Virat Kohli has come from, I would say, absolutely somebody who was a really average player with a good skill set for somebody who transformed himself into becoming the very best. So the entire point behind telling you all this story is, I guess, it's very important for all of us, all the aspirants as well, to make sure as to what your habits are and how can you change those habits if they're not working in your favor. Right? Because you guys, I think, are mature enough to understand as to what is good for you and what is bad for you when it comes to your preparation as well. So if you guys are preparing and आपको लगता है कि there is something wrong with it, or there will be a lot of people who will point out that there are a lot of things wrong with your schedule, but only if you yourself feel on a day कि भाई there is something wrong and you decide कि I want to change this. ठीक है, I want to change this habit. Obviously it will take a lot of time, it will take a lot of effort from your side because कोई habit को change करना is not very easy. But I think we need to understand that it's difficult either way because अगर आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हो, say you are procrastinating every day, you're not working hard enough, यू नो अंदर से कि यार कुछ गलत हो रहा है, राइट? सो यू फील ऑलरेडी गिल्टी अबाउट इट, है ना? ये होता है, आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वुड रिलेट टू मी हियर कि ऑलरेडी यू फील लिटिल गिल्टी अबाउट इट, दैट्स डिफिकल्ट टू डू एवरी सिंगल डे, ठीक है? रोज आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हो, यू फील गिल्टी व्हेन यू गो टू योर बेड एट नाइट, एंड देन you're repeating the same thing in the morning again the next day as well. So that is obviously making you feel really bad about yourself. And if you work hard, obviously that is going to be difficult, but by not choose that difficult part, or working hard and going through that, which can take us to success as well, right? That is very important for everybody to realize at a very small age, at your young age as well. So understand कि भाई दोनों चीजें डिफिकल्ट होने वाली है, so let's choose a difficult thing that is going to take us to something good. I think it's basically for you to understand as to what are your habits, what are you doing wrong, and once you change your habits, okay, and you move to a positive habit and maybe you make it a habit, it becomes an addiction. And when something like that becomes an addiction, there is nobody who can stop you. Then sky is the limit for you. There is nobody who can stop you. Just that it will come thoda धीरे धीरे. That is why most of the people quit halfway, because it's not as easy. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ बात कर पा रहा हूँ, but it's not as easy. You need to do it on a daily basis. You cannot have a lot of cheat days as well, right? You have to do it consistently. But if you can do that, you can definitely succeed. And in fact, you will definitely succeed in whatever you want to do in life. See, the entire point, the premise of saying this is कि whatever you're doing in your life, like in fact चाय बेच रहे हो अगर, ठीक है, just do it so properly that there is nobody who can do it better than you. Then only you will succeed. You can understand the kind of people we have in India, the kind of population we're carrying, right? It is impossible for us to be a mediocre and to do really well in this country, because there are so many people who are ready to take your place. So you need to understand that unless you want to become the very best, unless you want to maximize your potential to its maximum, you will never be able to succeed as much as you can in your life, right? So it's very important for you guys to understand at this point in time that you can do it. It's just that you need to change your habits a little, right? You need to make that schedule for yourself that is conducive to do well. So that's it about the session from my side. I think you understood a little bit about how can you change yourself, because there will be a lot of people who will be telling you how can you do that, but it's you who will realize one day, and you need to realize it as soon as you can, to change your habits, to make make a complete shift and move on to good habits, and to understand as to what is good and what is bad for you. Thank you so much guys for attending this. I think a lot of you would know that I've been teaching on Unacademy as well these days, so you can join my classes there as well. I've been taking a lot of classes on current affairs, on legal reasoning and so on. You can join those classes. Some of the free classes links I've attached already in the description box. You can go have a check, have a look on those classes. Other than that, you can follow our new batches as well on Unacademy. You can use my code Malpani or Keshav Life and get 10% off on all these batches as well. Thank you so much guys for attending this one. If you like our sessions, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so don't miss any updates from us. Keep liking us and keep following us like this. Thank you so much.